Check this out. Bike broken down. I'm gonna get towed by Matt.
Oh yeah.
By a rope.
Towed by a rope.
Up that stinking hill. So,
Ready?
alright. I'm ready. Let's do this.
One of the finest moments of DJ.
Yeah. You gotta go fast enough so that I don't, yeah, that's alright. I'm gonna duck walk it.
Everyone ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The water will cool off to just 6 degrees overnight with a few clouds. Sunny on Saturday, 15 degrees by the water, and up to 18 degrees inland. And then even warmer on Sunday. We'll hit about 17 degrees.
Is there a car coming?
And up to 20 degrees.
Is there a car coming? Okay, just keep going. You can go faster. Yeah, you can go faster. Then go a little faster. This is pretty pimp. Oh my god. There's a car following us. Just keep going, just, yeah. Yeah, you can just stop. Okay. Hot one, yeah. Just keep going. Yeah, this is so freaking simple. It's so easy, man. Look at this. Huh? No, kind of the way. I'm gonna have to push in kind of the way on the sidewalk. Wow. It's gotta be the most epic GGR. Ghetto garage, right here. Ghetto garage. Okay, slow. There's no car still. Oh, it's pretty epic. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, go right and then just park it on the side. Have to get up the hill. Alright.
You're gonna try to start it going down the hill?
No, it's Dad. We have to push it on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to push it on. I'm just
It'd be better to go the back way because it's so big.
yeah, I know, we're pushing it on the sidewalk.
We're just gonna push it. Yeah. Should have towed it up the road.
Shit, I know. It's too busy. Okay, hold on a sec. I think there might be a way here now.
I got it.
Yeah? No, there isn't.
Alright, all we can do.
You getting tired?
Fine.
Alright. Can we get past through that?
Yep.
The bench? And the pool?
Should be okay.
Oh shit. Okay. Let's go. Oh, not yet. Alright, true fashion. I'm dead as a knob. It's a downhill. Still gonna ride it. Duck walk that thing. Sweet. Oh, it's the quietest motorcycle ride. It's actually working really well. Oh, interesting. Cool. Wow, completely dead motorbike. Can't believe this. Pretty awesome. Next turn. Woo! Wow, it's home. Unbelievable. Okay, wonder if it'll start now. Now that's made it home. Nothing. 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 Completely dead. Now to figure out what's going on with this.